Hi everyone, my name is Zia Iqmal bin Abdul Rashid and my matrix number is 274006, and this is my video presentation based on my internship at Royal Perak Golf Club. I was placed under the golf club facilities and sport department. Throughout my time there, I was involved in a variety of maintenance and facility related tasks. It was a really hands-on experience and I'm excited to share what I've learned. On my first day, I followed my manager, Cik Nizam, to check out the billiard room that was recently renovated. It was interesting to see how the department ensure facilities are up to the club standard before members start using them. The visit gave me first insight into how much effort goes into managing even one room. Next slide shows I worked with my colleague Charlene to make marking for lounge chair position. We did this so it's easier to return the chair to the correct spot after members use them. This small task help keep the pool area organized and professional looking at all times. There's a task that be given to me where me and Mr. Amirul had to move some heavy mahjong tables to a new room on level 2. Honestly, the table was super heavy and it was just two of us doing the job. So that was definitely one of the more physically challenging tasks I had to face. I also got involved and learned in maintaining the swimming pool. We use chlorine and soda to maintain the pH balance, and we also use a testing liquid to check the level regularly. I also watched how the pool vacuum was used by the workers to clean the bottom of the pool efficiently. Usually we will clean the pool every Monday morning. There's one day I was assigned to clean the drainage system at the tennis court. This is important to prevent clogging and the water pooling, especially during the rainy days. If it's not cleaned regularly, it can be cause moss building up and slippery surface, which is dangerous for players. I also worked with Mr. Roslan to replace an old umbrella at the tennis court with a new one. It may sound simple, but it's part of ensuring member comfort, especially under the hot sun. This small upgrade makes a big difference to the user experience. Another task I did when I'm at sports department was helping to move out an old gym equipment. It was part of their plan to refresh the gym space and make room for a new machines. It showed me how facility management also involved keeping the environment updated and safe. I also had the opportunity to join the team in preparing for a novice swimming competition for member students. We set up the pool to look like a real tournament, placing lane rope, setting up the flags, and making sure everything was neat and professional for the kids and their families. In another task, I became a golf starter and also a marshal. As a starter, my responsibility included collecting golf receipts from players before they tee off. I also had to write down the buggy number and record which player was using it. This helped the club keep track of buggy usage and avoid any issues later. One more task was to make sure players start on time according to their booking schedule, so that everything runs smoothly throughout the day. As a marshal, one of the biggest challenges I faced was reminding slow players to speed up their game to avoid holding up other flights. It's not always easy, but it's part of keeping the pace of play. I also had to remind golfers to replace divot with sand to help maintain course quality. Overall, this internship gave me great exposure to what goes on behind the scene in managing sports and club facilities, from pool maintenance to help during event and even dealing with the member directly. I learned how important communication, teamwork and attention to detail are in this line of work. Thank you for watching.